Hello everyone, good day to you. Here I am at Ocean Park. This is the huge aquarium here at Ocean Park. Next to this aquarium is a restaurant. This is a nice park to visit. The amazing thing about this particular aquarium is that the glass is around 68 cm in thickness. And I've been here since 10 a.m. in the morning. So now we are going to go back in an hour time. It is around 4:19 in the afternoon at this point of time. For the other parts of Ocean Park, you can check out the playlist above and check out different parts of Ocean Park. This is the seventh part of the whole journey here. This aquarium looks like a TV screen, but it's quite amazing to look at all these fish swim in front of you and how big this aquarium is here. aquarium 厚度哦，这个是 aquarium 厚度有68，哇，很厚哦。Here. This is the merchandise shop. You can get a lot of different kinds of merchandise here from Ocean Park. Trend nowadays at the moment of time it seems to be these cute plushies as well as blind boxes. You can find them here too. This is 什么东西来的？Thank you。这是那 scallop 哈，scallop 的 blind box 好像。OK。还有那边啊，可以 after 看了，这个是 exit 啊，是啊。很美的花，很美的花，应该是你要去吗？去了，去了。啊，我在这边附近哎。 this is a place where you can take a photo in front of this Ocean Park sign here with several friends. This is a place that you can easily spend more than almost a day here. So I came here at around 10 and now it's almost 5 p.m. Some of the neon signs here, the famous ones that represents Hong Kong, and these three fishes here look quite cute. They seem like they are going to swim out of this place.
Nè, cái thầy đây biển này. Đồ bữa nay chưa trụ là
We are now outside of Ocean Park. This is the little decor here where you can take photos with before you leave Ocean Park. It is now around 5 p.m. in the afternoon.
其实也很多哈。
We are heading to the MTR station. This is the Ocean Park station. It is 7 p.m. now in the evening. We went back to get our handphones charged and all the devices just to make sure we have enough battery to explore the city again. This is the Yau Ma Tei area, and the road is next to us, Nathan Road. A bookshop on our left. This is the Tung Hua Book Co.
About 500 meters. Is that right? I mean, 看一下。哦，这一边要过了这支线。
This is the iconic sound of Hong Kong, the traffic light, the sound of the traffic light.
早上都卖的，晚上卖。可以走的。在这边是支线了。
We are heading to Jordan area, so this road goes to Jordan. There are lots of double-decker bus as well as taxis. You just need to use the octopus card, especially if you want to get a ride on these buses. Quite an easy thing to do, except you need to know where you're heading and choose the bus that goes to that direction.
那不是还要这样？就是在这边呢。哇，好多人。我再要这个东西，哇，可以过去。一直跑，就是了。那走。走。
Thank you very much for watching this vlog, and this will continue in the next part, where I go to Uniqlo, and there's this clothes shirt customization service, as well as one of my favorite places to visit here in Hong Kong is Don Donki from Japan.
就是还要走这支，好像到那个 traffic light 那边，是吧
？So far, the experience here in Hong Kong has been great. The city is clean, people here are nice in the city area, and everything is quite convenient. There are lots of places to eat.
要多少组？
还有一些时
哇，
间。
那要排队哦。
要再这，差不多了啦，给你再下一个 lane，要 turn right 的这样。那边是巴士。下一个 lane 一定要从这边过去这边对面，然后直下到那边去，就是差不多要到了。我的跑快！哇，现在等到这边拍一下。